My hometown, Sultankot. Small town, it has a railway station. That's all Google thinks it has, which is wrong. Historically famous because of its Aga family, which has been ruling the family of the area. In 2021, it will be famous for being the smallest town with the biggest, fastest growing architecture development. Guinness better prepare the world record. Some guests came by from Chicago City, of which Sultankot is a district, to have a look at what Sultankot is all about. So being the expert travel guide I am, I gave them a tour of Sultankot. Starting from my dad asking the locals who have spent their whole life in Sultankot about its historic places. Moving on to the Babar Mohalla pathway. Babar Mohalla is the hood of the Aga family. On the left there are grocery shops. Every well-to-do Sultankot's resident shops for almost everything from sukkar because of its lack of clothing shops and malls. We will be getting inside the, let's call it, shop street pretty soon. For now, enjoy the architecture. Here ends the Babar Mohalla, and straight from this road starts the agriculture of Sultankot, which is just as big as the builds we will get there in a minute. Here starts the Policy Mohalla. On the right is the primary school, co-educational school of Sultankot, my first school. I went there for a few days in nursery, then changed the school in kindergarten. Kids play cricket usually, and sometimes people turn it into a marriage hall whenever needed, like right now. This is the old water supply of the town. This is the new and current water supply of Sultankot. Entering the shops from another street, we asked the oldest shopkeeper how old is his shop.
केतिरो पुराणो आहे दुकान खान पुछे थो
40 साल थी विया
40 साल
इहो तव्हां पहिरियों हूंदो आहे न पहिरियों
जी
78 जो आहे कॾहिं जो हाजी ॻाल्हि कंदो आहे मूंखे बि ख़बर न आहे
40 नहीं चेहरे
And we re-entered my hood, the Babar Mohalla again, back to 10 with some cattle action. Now let's go to Sultankot's lands to see the agriculture. Today we are exploring whole complete Sultankot, and Shehbaz are with me. They are
I'm just a common lecturer in physics, and I don't have any good personality like he is.
So we explored Sultankot here right now, and sir will give us a overall summary of it. The lands, the agriculture here, the everything, the development. How it went from a rural thing to a town to an urban city. So yes, sir will explain that.
Yeah, I would like to use. I would like to speak in Sindhi rather than in English. त असां हिते ॾाढो घुमियासीं, काफ़ी हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसिस बि हुयूं, बाज़ार घुमियासीं, अचण खां पोइ काफ़ी ॿियूं जॻहियूं बि हुयूं, जीअं तव्हांजो स्कूल्स घुमियासीं, गर्ल्स कॉलेज हुई उते घुमियासीं, एंड हाणे असां एग्रीकल्चर थोरी लैंड आहे उते घुमी रहिया आहियूं. तमामु बहितरीनु माहौल लॻो पियो आहे ऐं शहर जे हिसाब सां हिते जेके ॾिसूं था उहो इहो आहे त हिते तमामु घणो पीस आहे, माना नॉइज़ पॉल्यूशन कोन्हे, ट्रैफिक न आहे, माण्हुनि जी जेका ज़िंदगी आहे उहा तमामु पीसफुल आहे. अञा एक्सप्लोर कयूं था, अञा असांखे वधीक कुझु नॉलेज मिलंदी.
थैंक्स फॉर योर प्रेशियस टाइम. असांखे ॾाढो मज़ो आयो हिते तव्हां वटि. पर हिकिड़ी ॻाल्हि जेकी असां नोट कईसीं त हिते सिविल हॉस्पिटल जो हुजणु लाज़मी आहे, छो त फर्स्ट एड लाज़मी आहे. जीअं मतिलबु को माण्हू वञे थो, एक्सीडेंट थो थी पए त उन्हनि जी सहूलियत हिते कान्हे. बाक़ी पीसफुल माहौल आहे, तमामु घणो मज़ो आयो आहे असांखे हिते घुमंदे. माण्हू बि ॾाढा प्यारा आहिनि हितां जा. उनखां अलावा पीसफुल माहौल आहे. बेंगलोर वग़ैरह असांखे उन्हनि जा रोड ऐं उनखां अलावा लैंड्स, मतलब ईअं चइजे कि वेल डेवलप्ड मॉडल टाउन ठहियल आहे बाक़ाइदे. थैंक यू सो मच.
Pleasure, and thank you so much for your time. Another mostly used ground for cricket. And this is the best built in Sultankot, referred to as the White House. let's see what the guests think about Sultan Court.
Today we explored the whole Sultan Court, agriculture here, the buildings here, how it's built, and what things it is better than Gariasin and Khanpur and other districts of Shikarpur. Let's ask sir what they explored here today. As you can see on the screen, we explored a lot of stuff, the schools, the colleges, the lands, the agriculture, the buildings, the architecture. Okay, so let's ask what they explored.
Yeah, everything was actually beyond expectation, like architecture, agriculture, bungalows, the places and the bazaar, and everything was quite amazing, and it was worth visiting here. And thanks to Aga Noor who invited us here. And something that I have, that I think that should be here, like the hospital. I couldn't find any good hospital here, and I did find the colleges, the girls' college, the schools, and there were many schools, and there's much more stuff about the education. But the people here should think about the health too. So the only thing that lacks here is a good hospital. It should be here, and except this, everything was exceptionally well, and everything was amazing, and we really enjoyed a lot. We saw the agriculture. We visited the shops, we visited the bazaar, we visited the multiple bungalows here. As you can see behind me, it's a type of cottage that it belongs to, I think, Sikandar Khan. Yes. Sikandar Khan is a relative of Aga Noor. Let's take it to the next level. Next visit, we would come here and we would visit here and we would make a huge vlog over there, inshallah. Thank you so much.
जी सर, pleasure.